Twisted Big D here. Come on, let's go do my laundry today. Well, it's laundry day. Still in Pittston. Good news today is my student passed his test. So, I normally don't do laundry while I'm over the road, but I do today. I had to hit up the ATM and get some money out to do laundry. Hopefully this machine don't steal my 20. They do have a change machine at the Pittston terminal. So if you need to do laundry, they do have a change machine. Still counting quarters, but I think I just hit the jackpot on the slot machine. Wow. That's a lot of quarters. Forgot my bag, so I gotta stick it all in my pocket, but pretty much we're just gonna do some laundry today. My student passed. I'm waiting on my next student. Hit up some laundry. I'm pretty sure I know who my next student is. Kind of talked to him today, so hopefully same guy that I've been talking to. He's one of my subscribers, or as far as I know, my next student is one of my subscribers. He put me down for a referral, and he got in contact with me, and luckily I didn't have a student. So luck for his luck, I don't have a student right now, so I can train him. So that's what I'm doing right now, doing some laundry, getting ready to go over the road. So there's the laundry machine. Go and use that one right there. And I don't separate colors and all that. I'm a guy, I just throw everything in there. How's it going? Pretty good, right? I'm good at laundry over here. I put the whole bottle in there. I don't even see no detergent in there. We'll just hope it works. It says that it's 50 cents over here, so we're gonna put this money in here and get this thing started. But yeah, my student passed today. He's on to his own career. Hopefully he gets a good TNT instructor or a trainer. And that's my laundry. 41 minutes. Might as well go get something to eat while we wait on that. Now we're gonna go downstairs and get some food. I don't even know what to eat today. I've been eating nothing but this terminal food, really. I take that back. I went to a Christmas party and I went to, I think Longhorn Steakhouse is what we went to the other night. It's pretty good. Little seating area with a TV up here on the second floor. Got me an elevator right here. Laundry room was down there. We're gonna go on downstairs and get some food. Nice elevator. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some food to eat. You know, I'm a big guy, I like to eat. I seen somebody's comment on there that said, hey, at least you're keeping it real by not eating healthy and put what you're really doing instead of faking it. That's the only way to be, is real. So of course I'm gonna eat what I normally eat, so I don't care who sees this. If I wanted to be healthy, I would eat healthy. I just like good food. Let's see the unhealthy food I'm eating today. burger, bacon, jalapenos, tater tots, drink. That's healthy right there. That's my healthy food right there. Got the salon over here. Got the gym. Well, my laundry's about done in the washing machine. 9 minutes. Close enough to almost being done. I poured a whole bottle of soap in there because it never made it to the fill line. I don't know. Hopefully it went into the machine and cleaned my clothes. They come out smelling like FUBU. I'm gonna have to wash them again. I'm gonna have to find some soap and stuff. But I just found the fabric softening machine. That's what I need because I like my clothes to be nice and soft. I want to be feeling real soft. But oh, by the way, the dryers. Here's the dryers. Please clean these up after every use. It grinds my gears whenever I have to clean somebody else's filth out of them. It looks pretty bad. But that one's actually like just dirt that's stuck in it. It's kind of nasty. I don't know if Prime replaces those every once in a while or if they just leave the same ones in there. Also checking in here, make sure it's clean in there. It looks pretty clean in there. I mean, not to my standards, but who knows? I don't do much laundry. So let's see if we got some dryer sheets over here. We got this big machine, and I guess they made it for midgets because it's way down there. Probably got tired of all the short people not being able to reach it. Looks like it's 75 cents. Let me get 75 cents out of the dollar or the $20 worth of quarters in my pocket right now. I almost lost my pants on the way to the elevator because $20 worth of quarters is kind of heavy. But yeah, I'll put me 75 cents in here. Hit the little button. Bounce. I'll just throw the whole box in there. Might as well. They're in there. Now they just need some clothes. I'm just kidding. I'm about to go open that box up. I didn't want no one to think I was a moron or something. I do know a little bit about laundry. I never had to do laundry. Truthfully, I never even had to do laundry until I became a truck driver. I got out here and I was all like, oh, my clothes are dirty. What am I gonna do? I pretty much had to figure it out. Luckily, I'm a pretty smart guy, so I can figure it out. But I never did laundry till I became a truck driver. My wife has me spoiled. For reals, and I appreciate everything you do because I know you're going to be watching this. My wife likes to watch my videos, or I hope she does. Alright, so it completely stopped. I got to get this stuff down here into there. Ooh, it looks soapy too. Don't smell bad. Oh, let's see here. You really want to take advantage of the washers and dryers at the terminal. If you're in a truck stop, it might cost you $5 to wash and dry your laundry. Plus, at the truck stop, they're really nasty. To me, they are. I don't use them. I have in the past because I really needed clothes. Make sure you get it all out. Everything in there. Got my dryer sheet. Welcome back. And that's how you dry your clothes. Alright, the dryer's 50 cents. Delicate's low heat. I wear nothing but basketball shorts, so I want them taken care of delicate. Alright, the dryer's gonna take about 49 minutes, so might as well go to the truck and play some Xbox. Alright, so my dryer stopped. This is what I do when I do laundry. I'll take my shirts out and I'll fold them up like this. Then I'll throw a pair of shorts on them, a pair of socks, and then my boxers. And what I'm gonna do is roll them all up. And then after I roll them all up, I'm gonna put them back in my bag. This is how I do laundry. This is how I save space. Alright, now that I got them all rolled up, what I'm gonna do is put them in my bag. This saves a lot of room. See? Each one of them fits in the bag. Nice rolled up, saves space, saves time because I do it all right out the dryer. I don't have to worry about coming back later doing laundry. So all I do is stuff them in this bag. These sweatpants, I kind of use it as a jacket. I don't wear them unless I get out the truck and it's really cold. It's more like a jacket for whenever it's really cold outside. Thanks for watching my video, and thanks for coming to do laundry with me. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, ring the bell, come back, check out more videos, give me those thumbs up, leave comments. That's my day for today. I'm gonna go finish the day playing Xbox.